So we are coming to the Cup Noodle Museum in Hong Kong. So they're showing us the different types of flavors in different countries. So this is Japan, China, Hong Kong, Thailand, Singapore, and Vietnam. Over here, like a smaller size Philippines, Indonesia, India, Australia, USA, Brazil, Mexico, United Kingdom, France, Hungary, and Germany. Do you realize they have different types around the world? So this part shows a bit of history of Momofuku Ando, the creator of the Nissan food group. At the age of 95, Mr. Ando reinvented instant noodles for space, called Space Ram. So basically they are being a lot thinner, the noodles, and it can be made softened by adding water at 70 degrees. It's pretty amazing. So this is the second factory where you can make your own cup noodles. So start with drawing the cup noodle, and then you just go there and select your own flavors, the soup and all the fillings, and then they'll seal it for you and make your own cup noodle. There's a nice spot here for you to take photos, and this as well. But then this is pretty much it, so you have to go into one workshop before coming into here, and then after that it's already the little shop. You can also hashtag Cup Noodles Museum Hong Kong and get the red packet for free.